Hi, folks. Hope all of you are doing well and you are healthy and safe. So, today I'm going to discuss something very interesting with you all. And it will be really, it's something about discipline, it's something about habit. Last 12 days, I've been waking up morning at 4:15. And, this has been my a long desire. It has been my long wish to get up early in the morning, but because the earlier wake up in the morning, the more advantage you have. You have more time in your hand. You can be more organized. Your days can be more planned. So I had been planning to get up early in the morning for quite a long time. And you won't believe, last 6 months my alarm was put at 5 o'clock in the morning. And every time the alarm will ring in the morning, I will just put it off and I'll sleep. I'll wake up by 6:30 or sometimes 7 or 6 o'clock. So I recently planned to start some yoga class. And also the timing was at 5 o'clock. So I started thinking that how to get up at 5 o'clock. It's going to be a challenge once again. So I did a lot of research. I saw a lot of YouTube videos. I discussed with a lot of people. And a very key and very important thing which came out is that, and which I had been hearing for quite a long time, is that in order to wake up early in the morning, you have to sleep early, and more than that, you have to eat early. And in this connection, I had also saw a video of Akshay Kumar where he said he one should finish his dinner before 6:30 to 7. And believe me, if you ask me, my personal experience in past 12 days has been, it is sleeping early that definitely helps, but it's more than that, the eating early which helps a lot. Because I'm telling you, based on my physical anatomy, based on my experience, that the late you eat in the night, you feel more tired in the morning and more exhausted, more confused in the morning. So the reason is that the body uses this energy to digest the food. And generally what I have seen, that normally as a working class professionals, we normally come late in the evening. And then sometime we have a very light lunch or light dinner, and we try to compensate that light lunch or light breakfast, and we try to compensate that at the dinner. That is the reason why we have, or most of us have, morning fatigue or bloating or gastric. So am telling you my schedule. I'm telling you my schedule. Normally, what I do, I have my dinner before 6:30, 7 o'clock, around 6:30 to 7 o'clock, and generally I go to bed at 9:30 and sleep. And believe me, I'm telling you, for my last 12 days experience, I have never felt a least fatigue in waking up at 4:15 in the morning. Initially, what I did is, in order to get fresh, to feel more energetic, after I do my morning ablutions, I will take a bath. I will take a shower. So if you are planning to get up early in the morning, and want to continue that habit and schedule, what you should do is, as soon as you get up in the morning, you complete all these three things together: your brush, going to washroom, and fresh up. And in order to prepare that background, try to have your dinner as early as possible. If I say early as possible, try to complete your dinner latest by 7, not more than that. Of course, we have our professional challenges. It's very difficult to come back by 7 o'clock for most of us who are going outside for office. So that you have to make a plan. You can keep some additional pack of lunch which you can have in the evening. And try to keep your evening dinner as shortcut as possible. No need to have it very formal. You can have some sandwich, some bananas. And as you finish your dinner early in the evening, you will feel more hungry in the morning. And morning breakfast you can always have heavy. And it is always, it's a very common maxim that the breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a pauper. So if you really want to get up early in the morning, maintain a good habit, a balanced health, a strong health, please try to get up in the morning. And to get up in the morning, have a light and early dinner. Thank you very much.